we're gonna show you the fruit snack, and we're gonna see which one we get. Ready?
No, I already opened mine.
I got a flower.
I got an egg. I'm not gonna eat it. I'm gonna eat
good.
it.
Now I got an Easter egg.
I finished mine. Now you get two since they're small.
What did you just eat? Dude, you had to show them.
Oh, sorry, but I had a bunny.
Oh, I have an Easter egg.
I ate my bunny before last time we died. Mama, over there. I can open it.
Let's see what I get. What did I get? I got a bird.
A bird.
Hurry up. Duty. Do this.
Hey, guys, we're gonna do something real quick. I cannot get my snack open.
No, like this. There.
Oh, okay.
Now
So I got a flower.
eat it. I got one too.
Wait, sure, y'all. Oh. I got another flower.
I got me a Easter egg. You done with this pack?
I got me another egg.
Hold on, Vicky. By the way, she's Vicky. I'm Zaya.
Dang, Zell.
Okay, I got a bunny.
I got an egg. And there's the one.
They're so good. I got a birdie.
I got another flower.
I got a flower.
I got an egg.
I got a bunny.
This is my last one. I got an egg.
I got two larger. I got an Easter egg.
She's done.
I got a bunny. And
I got a bunny.
I got a bunny.
Just got a bunny.
And I'm done. So thank you. Subscribe down below. And
Follow us on Musical.ly.
yep. Mine is ZEZE old 429.
And my
No, you don't even have a Musical.ly. No, you don't.
yes, I do.
I do.